What surprising activities qualify for agricultural property tax exemption? Imagine turning a small hobby into a tax-saving activity that could help your farm or land qualify for property tax relief. You might be surprised to learn that not all qualifying activities are traditional farming. Some activities that seem unrelated actually count as agricultural use and can lower your property taxes. For example, beekeeping is often overlooked but can qualify for agricultural exemptions even on small plots of land. If you keep as few as 5 to 10 acres of land for bees, you could be eligible because beekeeping is recognized as a genuine agricultural activity. Growing plants in a commercial nursery also qualifies if you sell the plants, trees, or shrubs. This is considered agricultural because it involves cultivating and selling plants for profit. Providing veterinary services specifically for farm animals can also count. If you offer farm or ranch calls to treat livestock, this activity may qualify for exemption, especially if it is part of your farm operation. Timber harvesting and forestry work are other activities that often qualify, especially if your land is used for growing and harvesting trees. Some landowners use buildings solely for raising livestock or plants. If the buildings are designed just for breeding or growing, they may qualify for partial property tax exemptions. Solar power facilities that mainly supply energy to farm equipment can also qualify if at least 50% of the energy is used for agricultural purposes. Activities that do not qualify include home gardening, horse racing, boarding horses, rodeos, wildlife management, hunting, or breeding pets for sale. These are not considered agricultural production for tax exemption purposes. To keep the exemption, you usually need to show that your land has been used for agricultural purposes for at least 5 of the past 7 years. You also need to apply through your local appraisal district or tax authority and provide proof of your agricultural activities. These exemptions recognize that many different activities contribute to agriculture and rural economies. They help landowners save money on property taxes and encourage diverse farming practices. So, if you are involved in activities like beekeeping, nursery growing, timber work, or farm-related veterinary services, you might be able to qualify for an agricultural exemption. Just make sure your activities meet the local rules and are properly documented.